Hi, I'm Heather Hull. Congratulations and thanks for choosing Cambria. We know you can't wait to start enjoying your new countertops. That's why we make installation fast and easy with just 3 simple steps. This video will show you what to expect as we get your new Cambria countertops ready for your home. First, we need to measure your space. Accurate measuring is critical to ensure we have all the exact dimensions to perfectly customize your new countertops. Measuring your space using the latest measurement systems will only take a couple of hours. Be sure to have any new fixtures and appliances on hand, like your sink, cooktop, and faucet. Then sit back and relax. We'll take care of the rest. From there, a custom blueprint is created for your project. Every Cambria countertop is handcrafted to ensure a customized fit in your home. Your Cambria is selected at the warehouse and inspected to make sure it's perfect for your space. Special software ensures best possible flow and continuity throughout your countertops. Using your customized blueprint, a Cambria certified fabrication partner shapes the slab and makes exact cutouts for the sink, faucet, and cooktop as necessary. All pieces are pre-fitted and carefully inspected before they arrive at your home to ensure minimum adjustments on site. Your Cambria is carefully packaged for delivery with the edge profile you've selected. Now comes the best part. Your new Cambria countertops are ready to install. Our installers call and make an appointment for installation. Our installers are respectful and provide a white glove experience, leaving your space spotless when they leave. Installation only takes a few hours. And our installers ensure everything fits together perfectly. That's all there is to it. Your new countertops come with a full lifetime warranty and our promise to always be there should you need us. Now, get ready to celebrate and show off your new countertops to your friends and family.